In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up your Steam account and why it's beneficial to do so. To begin, let's open the Steam app. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to click on the login button. Once you've entered your account name and password, hit sign in to access your Steam homepage. Now that you're in, the next step is to click on your profile name, which you'll find at the top right of the Steam client. This will take you to your personal profile page. Here you'll want to direct your attention to the badges section. Clicking on it will show you all the badges available for the games you play. A crucial part of leveling up your Steam account involves earning these badges for the games you enjoy. You can view which games have complete sets of trading cards ready for crafting into badges. If you need to, buy additional sets of trading cards from the Steam community market. This marketplace allows you to find trading cards from various games, sometimes at a very low price. Be on the lookout for cheaper sets, as they can cost as little as 20 cents per badge, making badge crafting an affordable endeavour. An essential tip is to keep an eye out for special events or sales. During these times you might find free or discounted cards, which can save you some money and speed up your leveling process. When you're ready, hit the craft badge button for the sets of cards you possess and watch your badge collection grow. Once you've crafted a badge, you might wonder if there's more you can do. The answer is yes. You can upgrade it up to 5 times by collecting and crafting more sets of trading cards for the same game. Each upgrade enhances your Steam level, incrementally offering more perks. Now let's discuss why leveling up is a great idea. First, increasing your Steam level allows you to have a larger friend list, so you can connect with more gamers from around the globe. This is perfect for those who love multiplayer games or enjoy community interactions. Additionally, a higher Steam level unlocks profile showcases. These showcases offer you more customization options to highlight your favourite games, acquired badges or other personal achievements. It's a fantastic way to display your gaming journey and stand out within the Steam community. Lastly, an enhanced profile reputation is a notable benefit. A well-leveled profile suggests you're an engaged community member, which could lead to more meaningful interactions. Whether you're here for the social aspect, for the pride of displaying your gaming achievements, or simply to enjoy the perks a higher level offers, leveling up your Steam account surely adds to the overall experience. That's it for today's video. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to boosting your Steam level and enjoying all the perks that come with it. Keep gaming, keep leveling, and we'll see you in the next video.